Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to manage incoming call settings on the cover screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. Firstly, we would need to open our phone application, which is located on the home screen. After, click on these three dots on the right corner and choose Settings. Here, click on Flip Options and here is it. You can see four features right here. The first one is Open Phone to answer calls, second, Turn off speaker when phone opens, Close phone to end calls, and turn on speaker when phone closes. Let's talk about every of them. So, the feature number one is Open Phone to answer calls. Basically, when you got an incoming call on your cover screen and you will open your phone, the incoming call will just switch to the main screen and you would be able to deny it or accept it. But if we will enable this feature and open our phone while incoming call, it will automatically accept. The second feature is Turn off speaker when phone opens. When you see an incoming call on your cover screen and you will open your phone with this feature enabled, it will automatically switch to any Bluetooth device that you are connected to, for example, your headphones, or to the phone's dynamics, so you would need to put your phone near your ear so you'll be able to hear the person who is calling you. Now, to the last two features. Unfortunately, you can choose only one of them because when you're trying to enable both, the second one isn't available. Let's talk about this first one. Close phone to end calls. When you are talking to someone and you are done talking, you can easily close your phone and put it in your pocket and the call will end automatically. And the second one is Turn on speaker when phone closes. This is kind of understandable. I think I don't need to explain this one. And also, we can read this little description right here. Except for Open Phone to answer calls, these settings on the screen don't affect calls made while using headphones or Bluetooth devices. Now, let's test this first feature, Open Phone to answer calls. So, we can see the incoming call on our cover screen, and if we will take our phone and open it, the call will automatically accept, as you can see. And now we can just easily talk with the person who is calling you and end the call if you are done talking. This is kind of cool feature, isn't it? And also, one extra tip. You can add on the call background any video, GIF or photo that you would like. Let me show you how it looks. Firstly, open the phone application and click on these three dots. Then choose Settings, and here you need to click on this setting named Call Background. As you can see, my current background looks like this. Now, if we will click on this button Background, we can set any background that you would like. For example, I would like to set this GIF that I have on my phone, and this is how it will look when someone is calling me. And also, we can take a look on the preview on cover screen. This is really a cool feature, and on my opinion, this looks pretty cool. And that's it. When you have chosen your photo, GIF or video, simply click on this Set as Call Background, and now let's test it how it looks when someone calls you. And as you can see, this is the background that I have chosen. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.